So hello guys, today I brought another video for you all. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix PicsArt not working problem solved. So at first we all know that we have to check our data connections. If it is not on, then make sure that it is on. After coming this, come to the Play Store and search for PicsArt. After coming in here, make sure that your app is updated. So guys, make sure that it is updated, and after doing this update, come to the setting once and search for app management. After coming app management, tap in the app list and coming to the app list, search for or scroll down PicsArt. Here we go. So after coming here is the force stop. After clicking this force stop, come to the store uses. After coming in store uses, clear cache and clear data. After doing this bot, come to the permission once. After coming in permission store, make sure that your app is allow. After allowing this, again go back, come to the setting once and search for software update. So guys, make sure that your software should be updated. If it is not, then do it now. So guys, even doing this, if it is not working, then switch off your mobile once and turn it on. So thanks for watching this. Thank you guys.